Hi students, today we are going to learn science subject, and in science subject our first chapter, our surroundings. In previous period we saw we live planet we live on planet earth, which is very beautiful. And what is mean by environment? Everything that is found naturally on the earth is called environment. And in this chapter we saw forest. Forests are home to over half of the world's animals and plants. Forest is home of animals. The trees provide comfortable place of birds to build their nests. And deforestation. What we see? Deforestation. Uh, and here see what plants gives us. Please give plants gives us timbers, and often from the forest is useful to building houses, ships and fences, and to make paper. We make papers also with the help of timber. Trees clean the air and produce oxygen for us to breathe. And see, men are cutting down trees to build houses, industries and factories, which is causing deforestation. Deforestation means what? Deforestation means cutting down trees cause of build houses, industries and factories. Okay, deforestation will destroy the habits of many plants and animals. And today we see here oceans. The earth is approximately covered with 71% water, which is mainly contained in the 5 oceans. On the earth, see, 71% water, which is mainly contained in the 5 oceans. See, namely the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. See the name of 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. The oceans cover 33 crore 52 lakh 58,000 square kilometer of the earth's surface. These 5 oceans cover 33 crore 52 lakh 58,000 square kilometer of the earth's surface. An ocean is a major body of saline water. It has a significant effects on the biosphere. And oceans is a major body of saline water. It has significant effect on the biosphere. Biosphere means Bashpi Bhavan. No, see, significant effects on the biosphere. The evaporation means Bashpivan of water from oceans due to water cycle is the source of rainfall. See this picture of ocean. Ocean is the shelter of marine animals. Which animals live in ocean? That is called marine animals. And men are disturbing the life of marine animals. See this picture. Okay, the oceans are the homes of several marine creatures. A lot of rubbish that we produce on land pollutes the ocean. A lots of rubbish, rubbish means that we produce on land and pollutes the oceans. Marine animals are destroyed by this polluted water. Okay, understood? Oceans, there are 5 oceans on the earth. That names of namely the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Oceans. Now see Iceland. At opposite poles of the world, the Arctic and the Antarctic are to freezing cold lands. They are so cold that the sea is covered with the ice throughout the year. See, Arctic and Antarctic oceans, freezing cold lands, and they are so cold, that's why that sea is covered with ice throughout the year. But now, due to excessive pollution, deforestation, and warming of the earth, the ice in the Arctic and the Antarctic Ocean is melting. See Iceland, picture of Iceland, and here melting of ice in Iceland. The fuel we use for energy makes the climate warmer. As it gets warmer, the ice melts and the sea level rises. And next one, plains are there. Plains are usually well populated because of adequate human settlement. On plains there are human settlement is there. The soil in plains and terrain are good for farming. On plain, that is land for good for farming, that land is good for farming. In the plains, roads and railways can be easily built between rural towns and cities. Crops, which are our main source of food, are grown in the plains. As people cleared the farming cisterns on the plain, we built roads and railways can be easily and see crops, which are our main source of food. Main source of food, our crops are grown in the plains. As people cleared the farms many years ago and made buildings to live in, these places have become completed wasteland now. See in this picture, first picture is plains are suitable for farming, and in second picture means converting plains into wasteland. Okay, now see here, amazing means what? Words to know. Difficult words are there. Amazing, causing great surprise. Timber means wood from trees. Deforestation, cutting down trees from forests. And extinction, a situation that results something do die off or completely. And marine means plants and animals that live in the sea. See students, think our periodic assessment is there. Think to answer. First, tick mark the correct answer. First one, timber is used for making. Where we use timber? Making perfume, paper, or mobile. We use timber making paper. And second one, deforestation is the result of cutting trees. And third one, ocean is the shelter of marine animals. And next, answer these questions. First, see what is environment. What is environment? You read lesson and write these question answers in complete sentence, full sentence. Name the place which is the home of animals and plants. Third one, why are trees being cut down? And fourth one, what is ice melting in Arctic and Antarctic region? And see, look at the pictures below and write what you seen. See these pictures and you write here what you see. And activity, trace the picture of the elephant and color it with grey crayon. Understood students? Complete this periodic assessment and send on group.